Welcome, in front of me is REALME P3 Lite, and in this video I will show you what to do if your smartphone isn't detecting your headphones. First of all, check your headphones. Test them with another device to see if they work generally, and if they do work, then check your smartphone, grab your device and check the bottom cover or bottom edge of your phone. See if there is any debris in your headphones jack port, and if you can see anything, then use a soft brush or a non-metallic tool generally to carefully remove the debris out of it. Make sure that you use something that won't break inside your headphones jack, because this will make things even more complicated. I recommend using a soft brush for it. After that, restart your phone. To do that, press the power button and the volume up key at the same time, and then swipe up to restart, and then wait until your device is restarted. Once your device is restarted, try checking your headphones once again, and if they still do not work, then try another pair of headphones and see if they work with your device. And in case they do not work with your device, you should check the audio settings on your phone. To do that, open settings, then go to sounds and vibration and check the volume bars in here. So just try moving them all to the right, and then check your headphones once again. If this doesn't help you, then check for software updates. To do that, go back to settings, scroll down to system and update, and in system and update check software updates. If you do have any updates to install, then of course proceed, take your time, and then after you update your device, check if your headphones started working with it. And in case none of these steps helped, go back to system and update menu in settings, then go to reset phone, reset app preferences, tap reset to confirm, wait a couple of seconds, and then try reconnecting your headphones to the smartphone and check if they started working. And if they didn't, in such case you should consider a hardware issue. In such case, contact Realme customer support service. Maybe they'll guide you through some more troubleshooting steps, but eventually you may have to send your phone to them for repair, or just take it to the nearest repair service in order to solve this problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.